Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial where I'll be building a tic-tac-toe game in Python using Pygame. With some added creativity, I was able to incorporate a splash screen, winning conditions, and even an option to restart or exit at the end of the game. I built this with the help of ChatGPT, and today I'm excited to show you how it's done. To start, I created the game window, setting it to 500 by 500 pixels for a clear, larger display. Using Pygame. Display. Set mode, we set the window's dimensions, and with Pygame. Display. Set caption, we named it tic-tac-toe. Next, I set up colors for the background and grid lines to create a clean, simple layout that highlights the game board. One of my favorite parts of this project was adding a splash screen. I wanted a visually appealing welcome screen where players see a welcome message and a button to start the game. I customized the colors and centered the text for an inviting look. The start button appears on the splash screen and waits for the player to click before beginning the game. Next, I built the logic for handling player clicks. When players click on the board, it checks the position and places an X or O depending on whose turn it is. This function also prevents players from clicking in occupied spots, so the game flows smoothly between turns. After implementing player moves, I added logic to check for a win condition. By evaluating rows, columns, and diagonals, the code detects 3 matching symbols and highlights the winning line. If the board fills up without a winner, it registers as a draw, prompting a message and giving the option to restart. To make the game more interactive, I added restart and exit buttons at the end of the game. When a game concludes, these options allow players to either jump into a new round or exit the game completely. It's a simple addition, but adds a lot of convenience to the game. And there you have it, a fully functional tic-tac-toe game built in Python using Pygame. With a splash screen, turn-based gameplay, winning detection, and options for restarting or exiting, this project covers all the basics of game design. Thanks to ChatGPT for guidance on the code, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this tutorial.